Good morning, students. So today our topic is presentation on mobile assisted language learning. So first of all, we should know what is language. So language is a system of science, specifically science, a set of rules and principles, a system of conventional spoken or written symbols. A set can be finite or infinite of sentences, each finite in length and constructed out of a finite set of elements, a matrix for the expression of thoughts, a social medium of social interaction, a weapon of empowerment, and lastly, a psychological tool used to solve the problems. So, now what is language learning? Language learning is broadly defined as developing the ability to communicate in the second on the foreign language, means other than mother language. It is a process by which the language capability develops in a human. It is to learn the structural items of the language, to know how to combine the grammatical rules and the vocabulary to express the notions. Now, what is mobile learning? It refers to the use of mobile or wireless devices for the purpose of learning, especially anywhere and anytime. Typical examples of devices used for mobile learning include cell phones, smartphones, palm tops, and held computers, tablet, PCs, laptops, and personal media players can also fall within this scope. So mobile devices are not only substitute for existing learning available devices, but they serve as extension for learning in a new environment, having new ways of getting knowledge. Mobile phones with high capability had helped into all the areas of human life. So wireless communication technology is growing rapidly. In effective mobile learning, there is a positive change in student learning via M learning. Mobile assisted language learning is an approach to language learning that is assisted or enhanced through the use of handheld mobile devices. Some examples: educational apps, e-books, e-libraries, social media, informal learning activities, audio, video, pictures. Now, what is the need of this study? This study aimed to contribute in this respect by investigating English as a language for pre-service teachers' perceptions of mobile assisted language learning and determining whether there is any differences of perception according to gender. To this end, the following questions were formulated. What are English pre-service teachers' perception of mobile language learning? Do pre-service English teachers' learning perception differ significantly according to gender? It is expected that the findings will throw light upon the pre-service English teachers' intention, awareness, learning abilities, and attitudes about mobile assisted language learning. It will also help in the requirements of their learning need and importance of this in their future career. So hypothesis is that there will be no significant difference with regard to mobile assisted learning of English language for male and female pre-service English teachers. Sample I took the participants for this study originally included 50 female pre-service English teachers and 50 male pre-service English teachers from various educational colleges randomly at SBS Nagar near Roper. Follow-up interviews were held with a total of 14 participants because of their convenient accessibility, so that they would get the opportunity to express their opinions, thoughts, views, disagreements, and suggestions about mobile language learning. So procedure for this study was conducted with a mixed method design in which both quantitative and qualitative data were collected for getting information. For a quantitative approach, a survey method was used to gather data about the participants' perception about M learning. For qualitative approach, interview method is used to express their opinions by answering open-ended questions. Thus, this research was conducted with a mixed method design in which both quantitative and qualitative data were collected. The tool for the study include a self-guided questionnaire and interview sessions with the open-ended questions. The questionnaire consisted of two parts. The first part included questions that features the participants such as gender, while the second part included the mobile learning perception scale. The scale consisted of 26 statements, uh, and the participant rated the statements of 5-point scale. So statistical technical जो techniques used were T ratios and result uh, to ascertain the effect of independent variable on the dependent variable. Mean score SDs and critical ratio as are calculated, and the results were as this. This shows that mean scores of language learning between female and male are these, and there will be a significant difference with regard to mobile assisted language learning of male and female. Qualitative data shows that the interaction effect also is there. So conclusion: on the basis of our discussion, the following conclusion: a significant difference exhibits between the mean score of mobile assisted language learning between male and female pre-service teachers, which imply that males are higher in extent of language learning than the female. Thank you.